Hello, visionary. Here's how to use meditation to transform negative thoughts. Arrow here, founder of Key Energetics. First, you want to find a comfortable spot, either in a chair or on the floor. And it's key to sit upright with your back unsupported. So if you're in a chair, scooch a little bit forward, away from the back of the chair, and then draw your crown high by tucking in your chin without tilting your head, and close your eyes. Then you want to follow your breath, inhaling deeply and through your nose and exhaling through your mouth slowly and comfortably 3 times. Notice your shoulders relaxing and feel the weight of your body sinking. And if your shoulders aren't relaxing down, then it's probably because you haven't tucked in your chin or you're tilting your head. You want to just draw your crown high, and then you can feel the energy opening through your chest and your shoulders naturally relaxing down. Then you want to, so after this, you've closed your eyes and you want to smile gently, just turning up the sides of your mouth into the gentle smile with your mouth closed. Notice your chest opening even more with the smile, and feel the energy sinking with your breath into your lower abdomen. And only after you're breathing into your core are you in a condition for meditation. So at that point, breathe into your core a few times so it's nice and steady. And then bring your attention to your heart. And you want to identify the negativity troubling you and ask your heart for the root of your agitation. And you, depending on your experience with meditation, if you're new or you're not accustomed to asking questions, then just wait patiently and trust the process. And sure enough, an answer will bubble up to the surface. And when you have that answer, it's time to ask for solution or guidance, as in, okay, what's my solution? Or what should I do? And then again, be patient. And when you have your answer or answers, in the hallmark of this is it's always very simple, right? So you're not thinking, you're asking your heart, and your heart is communicating with you. Then you can open your eyes and write your awakening and solution or solutions down. So this exercise is a connection to your higher knowing and wisdom. It's a language your inner brain speaks. So your outer brain, your cerebrum, and your inner brain, your inner knowing, are communicating with each other, and they each have their own language, right? But they do know how to communicate with each other, of course. So it's just sometimes learning this different language by being patient and following your breath. So practice makes it fluent. And if you use it whenever agitation arises and watch the solutions unfold, you'll find you're nipping negativity in the bud and restoring your peace of mind faster each time. And if you want me to guide you through this meditation, or you want to learn more about the neuroscience and underlying dynamics that keep us locked into negativity loops, thought loops, check the links below this video.